Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some breaking news. The PH stock market is down. Well, medyo matagal na siyang down. But before you panic, stick around because I'm about to share 5 things that I'm doing to navigate these turbulent times. So, if you are an investor or simply curious about the market, you're in the right place. Simulan natin with swing trading. This year, I've done 9 trades including 7 sell trades in the PSE. I want to highlight one stock, PNX3B. Negative 50% and negative 75%. Kadiri, no? Kung influencer siguro ako, hindi ko ipapakita yan. Pero I want to be transparent with you in this journey. That's why I'm showing you my losses. I mean, hindi ko ipapakita yung actual value because that's too revealing for a place like the internet. But I hope you appreciate the fact that even though 6 years na ako sa stock market, I still get emotional and I still get greedy. I still make newbie mistakes, in short. To be honest, my entire portfolio is down by 7% as you can see from this graph. 7% year to date yan ah. Pero alam nyo naman ang message natin dito sa channel. We wanna get rich the proper way, not the quick and sketchy way. Bawal ang get rich quick schemes dito. So to recover from this mistake, I have been very selective with my trades recently. I went back to basics, I turned off my speculative mind, and as egotistic as it sounds, pinanood ko ulit yung video ko on how I select stocks to buy. Ano yung results? 1% from China Bank, 10% from AP, and 7% from BDO. Not too bad since I'm simply being defensive at this point. Okay, the second one is not too exciting and it's simply reinvesting my dividends. Reinvesting in the sense that I don't withdraw money from my accounts in call and AAA equities and simply let my buying power accumulate. Ever since na lumipat ako dito sa Australia, hindi pa ako ulit nagde-deposit to my stockbroker accounts in the Philippines, and that's another reason why I'm not withdrawing any cash. I think my PH stock market portfolio is large enough to sustain itself and grow slowly, but not too large na nakakabahan ako if I don't follow the market very closely. I'm also looking for good entry points to the big guys in the PSE, aka the PSEI companies or the top 30 companies in the Philippines. This is especially true for companies or energy companies such as Meralco, AP, and ACE Energy, ACEN. To be clear guys, I'm not asking you to buy these companies, pero I can tell you that this industry in general has been very interesting recently. Note ko lang na energy generation and energy distribution are two sides of the same coin. Companies that explore and generate energy from coal, oil, wind, solar, etc. are called upstream companies. Tapos, companies naman that process and distribute the products generated from those sources directly to the consumers are called downstream companies. I'm watching from the sidelines because I'm bullish on both the upstream and downstream ends of this industry. Para sa ibang tao, technical analysis is all you need. They will die on that hill and defend na kaya mong matalo o mabeat ang market if you know how to master 1,000 charting tools. Pero hindi ako yon. Hindi ako ganun ka talino, hindi ako ganun ka busisi mag-aral ng technical charting tools. I just need 3 technical analysis tools: MACD, RSI, and moving average. Minsan may support and resistance, but my point is, may halong pagka-realistic, pagka-pragmatic yung approach ko to investing and trading. Wala na akong social media accounts, so I watch news to know what's happening around the world. News po not fake news. From closely watching the current war in Israel and how it could affect the rest of the world, the rest of the Middle East, and the rest of the world, to reading newsletter for daily tidbits of information about the market, parang yung newsletter ni Mercado Barkada or MB, I try to be as informed as possible without getting overloaded. This next one is learning the basics of shorting, not YouTube shorts, but short trading. Soon to be available to institutional investors, shorting po is the opposite of long trades. Ano naman yung long trades kung nagtataka ka? Kung nakapag-trade ka na or nakapag-invest ka na at least once in the PSE, yun po ang long trade. That's the default version. That's the default trading scheme. Going long means bullish, buying low or selling high, and then going short means bearish, buy high, sell low. Counterintuitive ba? Let me know if you are interested in a dedicated video about shorting, tapos pwede natin gawin yan ng tutorial. Wala pang news kung kailan magiging available to as of the recording of this video. But after around a decade of preparation, malapit na tong dumating, and it's hard not to get excited about this. If implemented correctly, this might be the single most innovative thing that the PH stock market would have seen in the past years. And that makes everyone cautiously optimistic. Posibleng it could, increase the liquidity in the market. Pero kung mali yung pagka-implement in the technical side, baka makasira din to. So again, as I said, cautiously optimistic. So these 5 things are what I'm currently doing to survive in the current situation of the market. As a bonus, here's what you can do. You can peso cost average into FMETF. Okay, full disclosure. Right now, I'm waiting for more economic stability. I'm looking for policies that will increase confidence both for local investors and foreign institutions. Regardless of what your political stance are, I think we can all agree that this administration's top priority is not aligned with what we want from the stock market. Basic lang yan. FMETF tracks PSEI. PSEI is a representation of the country's top 30 companies. And if the economic environment isn't fit to support the top 30 companies, then I will simply wait on the sidelines. Manonood lang ako. Another bonus tip is you can do peso cost averaging ulit, pero this time into your core portfolio. Speaking of PCA, pwede rin strategy is to take the opportunity to snatch discounted companies. Pwedeng mamili ka in the PSEI, top 30 companies, as I said, or maybe look at other indices like the dividend yield index to boost your passive income. Hindi natin alam kung kailan magiging stable ulit ang market. So, one of the better strategies is not to overthink when to buy, but to simply execute and trust the process of cost averaging.